our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. R. A. Maselkar, Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Shailesh Nayak, Vice Chancellor, Professor Manpad Datta, Member of Board of Management, Academic Council, and Trustees of University, faculty members, Registrar of University, colleagues from administration, distinguished guests, and most important, our graduating student and their proud family members. It's my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this significant occasion. We have gathered here virtually on this august occasion of 13th convocation ceremony of Terry School of Advanced Studies. This year, this convocation is unique in many ways. It is special because it is first time convocation is being organized virtually. There is this famous quote on gratitude, and I quote, "We often take for granted the very thing that most deserve our gratitude," unquote. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Maselkar for accepting us to grace this day with his presence. Dr. Maselkar, thank you for your very insightful address and sharing your invaluable insight with our graduating batch, particularly the 4D you have highlighted. Immense thanks to our Honorable Chancellor and Vice Chancellor for your able guidance and supervision. Sirs, let me take this opportunity to thank you for your unflinching support, which has always been forthcoming. There are so many people in the organizing committee who have worked tirelessly behind the scene, and they truly deserve a special thank. It would be not possible to name them individually. Nevertheless, my thanks to each of them. We also express our gratitude to those who have supported us in many ways. Thank you to volunteer students who have been working hard to arrange this event. I want to express my gratitude to colleagues in administration, team including technical and support staff. Esteemed faculty members, you are the backbone of this institution. I would like to thank you all for your commendable efforts throughout the year and for making the academic journey of our student at Terry School of Advanced Study worthwhile. Thank you to the entire graduating batch of 2020 for giving us this proud moment and the wonderful memories for a lifetime to cherish. This institution remains in debt to you forever. Those who have graduated today, we hope that you go out as ambassador of the Terry School of Advanced Studies and seek to pursue your dreams. And a special thanks to the parents and family members for joining online. We know it is a proud day for you. It asserts faith in what we are doing towards society. Your virtual presence has made all this difference in this ceremony. Wish you all the best. Now, may I request Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation as closed.
Thank you. May I now request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem. Jana Gana Mana
गङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone who joined us today in this celebration. We shall now end this ceremony with a video celebrating the memories of the batch of 2020.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been waiting, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid to think that you thought you were above me, that I was only fooling myself and think you loved me. But since tonight you said you wouldn't live without me, that round about me you wanted to stay. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Once again, congratulations class of 2020 and wishing a lovely evening to all. Thank you.